Hello guys, for those that wanted to know if my brush cutter could weed, in my last video I told you I was going to use it to clean up this place. This is what it looks like on day 3. I actually had to stop because of the weekend. So this is what it looks like now. I used the brush cutter for this and I removed some of the trees by hand. That is those small trees in between. Now you can see my palms. I'm trimming them down. Some of them are fruiting actually. Those are Tenera palms. They are just about 3 years old, less than 3 years old actually. So you can see they are fruiting. So I'm weeding the in-between of the pineapples. So I used hand to remove those ones. But I'm weeding the in-between by hand. You can see, so this is what it looks like right now. And these are the palms in a row. Thanks, I will still keep you posted on the developments. So you see how the farm would look like after the clearing. Thanks for watching. Be inspired. I'm still your neighborhood gardener, Dennis Chidi. Have a lovely day.